Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. With Turkish club Ankara Gucu threatening legal action against him, Reggae boy Ronaldo Cephas has sought to clear the air regarding his transfer to Russian club FC Paris NN. Jermaine Brown reports on this developing story.
News emerged at the weekend that Reggae boy Ronaldo Cephas would be plying his trade for FC Paris Nizhny Novgorod after signing a 3-year contract with the Russian Premier League team from Turkish club MKE Ankara Gucu. Cephas had officially been without a club since July 1 after leaving Ankara Gucu. His contract with the Turkish club was due to end on June 20, 2027. 25-year-old Cephas had spent almost 2 seasons at Ankara Gucu after signing with the club in August 2023. He played 58 matches for them, scoring 11 goals. But in media reports coming out of Turkey on Monday, Ankara Gucu said the signing took place without their knowledge and that legal proceedings had been initiated regarding the matter. The club added, quote, necessary legal actions will be initiated against both the player and the club that signed the contract regarding this transfer process, and the matter will be brought to FIFA as soon as possible. Our club will follow this process until the end and will firmly defend its rights. When TVJ Sports reached out to Cephas, he noted that his signing was above board and that the Turkish club was being disingenuous.
The clubs is just putting out stuff. I don't know why, because in Turkey it's a rule. No player can play in the third league if you are a foreign player. If you are not a Turkish born, you can't play in the third league of Turkey. And as you can see, my team got relegated to the third tier in Turkey, so I can't play. So I just had the opportunity to move on, so this is what I do, so.
When pressed further about the validity of his move to Russia, the former Arnett Gardens star player had this to say.
They know the truth, so for me, I would not say anything, and just let things play out, because no club in this world now will sign a player who on a contract, so that alone can say it to everyone, so.
In the meantime, Cephas says he feels welcomed at FC Paris Nizhny Novgorod, which was founded in 2015 and made their debut in the Russian Premier League in the 2021-2022 season.
As you can see, it's a new team and they're trying, to build a new team as well. So, they reach out to my agent and me as well that they have a plan, they put it on the table for us, and then we see the plan, we like it, and then this is when we made the decision to come to Russia.
And with the club finishing 13th of the 16 teams in the Russian Premier League last season, Cephas says, he has a few goals in mind.
For me, now I'm just settling now, and then from there, we just go for the goals, so this is my thing now in Russia, to just stay focused, do the job on the pitch for the team, help my teammate as well. So this is what I am here to do, so I'm just here to get the job done.
On the national level, Cephas has also played 21 matches for the Reggae Boys, scoring 1 goal. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.